In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page orientation in Google Sheets. Google Sheets is a powerful tool that allows users to perform a wide range of tasks, from simple data entry to complex calculations and visualizations. Sometimes you may find yourself in a situation where the layout of your data looks better in a different orientation. Maybe you have wide tables that fit better on a landscape page, or perhaps you want to include more rows on a portrait page. In either case, I'm here to guide you through the simple process of changing the page orientation in Google Sheets. First, let's open up your desired Google Sheet that you want to print or adjust the layout for. Once you have your sheet open and ready, the next step is to access the print settings. To do this, you'll want to press Ctrl and P at the same time on a Windows computer. If you're using a Mac, the equivalent would be Command and P. This keyboard shortcut is a quick and efficient way to bring up the print preview and settings panel. Once you press Ctrl P, you will see a new window or panel appear on the right side of your screen. This panel is the print settings area, which offers you various options to customize how your sheet will be printed. Now, you'll want to turn your attention to this right panel. You'll see different options available for you, such as destination, pages, and the section we're interested in, layout options for the page orientation. In this section, you'll see two main orientation options, portrait and landscape. Portrait orientation means that the page is taller than it is wide. This is the typical orientation for documents and is suited for sheets with more rows than columns. On the other hand, landscape orientation is where your page is wider than it is tall, which is ideal for sheets where you have extensive columns and need more horizontal space. To change your page orientation, simply click on either Portrait or Landscape, depending on your needs. Google Sheets will automatically update the print preview to reflect your selection, so you can get a clear idea of how your document will look once printed. Take a moment to ensure that all data fits as expected. If not, you may need to adjust margins or scale settings later to perfect the layout. And there you have it. Once you've selected the right page orientation, your sheet is ready to be printed in the format that best suits your needs. Remember, this adjustment only impacts how the sheet is printed and does not alter the layout when editing in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to like, subscribe, or check out our other videos for more handy Google Sheets tips and tricks.